It always comes down to love when a couple comes together. Here are some gateways on what to do when your partner doesn't value you. Number 1. He or she does not show any interest towards your life. If your partner doesn't show any interest towards the things that are important to you, then it means he or she doesn't care about spending time with you. He or she might not even be aware of what's happening in your life. So don't take it personally. He or she might be busy with his own life and just doesn't want to bother with yours. This can also mean that he or she is not interested in being there for you when things get rough in a relationship. Number 2, they never ask about what is going on in your life. If your partner never asks about what's going on in your life, then there might be bigger problems. Then just not valuing their significant others enough. The main goal is how to deal with such problems in your life. It could mean that there is an underlying issue causing this behavior and it needs to be addressed immediately before things get worse. Number 3, your partner puts zero effort into your relationship. You should always know that your partner puts effort into their relationship with you and that they will try to make it better each day. This will help you to know whether your love is real or not. If they don't put effort into their relationship, then they probably don't care about it all. Number 4. He or she doesn't compliment or value your efforts. When it comes to compliments, men usually give their women more attention than women to their men. When a man compliments his woman and makes her feel good about herself, there is a sense of security between them. But when a man tries to compliment his woman without any effort from him, then this shows that he doesn't care about her at all and help to know whether love is real or not.